So we have 1 ounce silver birds of prey series, Peregrine Falcon. So this product, 2014, has a thickness of 3.29 millimeters, diameter of 38 millimeters. This is the first release in the Birds of Prey series from Royal Canadian Mint out of 4. And on one side here you have Susanna Blunt's design of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, along with the $5 face value Canadian. On the other side depicts a peregrine falcon in flight ready to catch its prey, while the coin's weight and purity are listed below.